Kate Brown's new coronavirus rules take effect today as she's trying to avoid another economic shutdown. There are changes to masks and group gatherings. Elise Haas live with what you need to know. Elise.
Jenny, the biggest change right now is that Governor Brown is enhancing the face mask policies. And so that means you have to wear a face mask now. It's mandatory if you're going to be outdoors and within 6 feet of other people. So starting today, statewide, if you're heading to outdoor public spaces and coming near others, then you will have to wear a face mask. We took a chance to talk with somebody who regularly goes to the Waterfront Park to get exercise. And he says that he supports Governor Brown's new rule.
I jog, I walk, and I bike around the waterfront, so I always have my mask with me. It's out of respect. It's just, and when I see someone else with a mask on, I feel a level of respect. But when I see people not wearing masks and they creep up behind you running or anything, I feel like I don't understand that. I don't understand. I think everyone should have a mask on.
He just got a COVID test on Monday as a precaution, and it came back negative. He says he's grateful for his health, but he says it's about taking all of the right steps and precautions for his well-being and others around him.
The virus is real. I know people who have lost family members. I have friends who both have had the virus, and one of them got really, really bad, and he was hospitalized and he was put into a coma. Thank God he survived, but the virus is real.
Governor Brown's rule also limits indoor parties and get-togethers to 10 people. But her rule does not apply to churches, gyms, or restaurants. And Governor Brown says that officials won't be out policing your personal parties. She's really asking for everyone's compliance with these new rules so that way hopefully she can avoid shutting Oregon back down again. Jenny and Ken?
Thank you very much, Elise.